Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane of the Heart, and it's that time of year again where I do a big cleaning of my craft room. So I'm trying to get my stuff down by at least 25%, which is quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started because I have a lot to share with you. If you're interested in any of these lots, it is scoop71@yahoo.com to email me. Let me know what lot you want. You should hear back from me very soon. Pay through PayPal, friends and family preferred, just because I'm selling these at such a loss that I don't really want to eat the cost that it costs me to do it any other way. But we could talk about that. That's a problem. Scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know. It's first come, first serve. I don't hold anything. And just be looking for me to do some more lots as I get through my stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. The first is what I'm calling my Spellbinders lot. I belong to the large and small die club. So I weeded through and got rid of some of the ones I don't think I'm going to use. And I think at least one of them I've never even used. I just decided I don't really like it. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my Spellbinders lot. You can only get these at this time if you belong to the club. So the first one is the large die of the month, March 2018. This is the one that kind of makes a pop-up. It's a little bit of a pop-up that you can do right here. And there's lots of things you can go online to see what else that they do with it. So this is the large die. And then the small die that I have is this one right here, which is the butterflies. Give you a look of some of the things that they did with this. And this one is the February small die of the month. This one is June 2019, so this one is brand new. It's a kaleidoscope die. So you can do kind of a mosaic look. Never even opened that one. It's just not my style. And then this one right here, which was the March 2019, it was the bunny die. And I really do like the words in this die. The happy is really cool. Okay, so this one is the Spellbinders Lot, and it's $40. Next is my Sizzix Lot. And this lot, let me see how much now. This one is going to be $50 shipped. You get this one right here, which is Tim Holtz, to get all these words. I don't think I use this at all, so it's brand new. Sorry, my computer's having some problems. The next thing is this one right here, which is the Lori Whitlock. It makes this little container right here. This Sizzix die and embossing folder, I never use that. This one as well, it's a coffee one. You get the Tim Holtz rosette dies. I prefer not to use dies to make rosettes. I find it too hard. So I had bought another one. I never use this. It's brand new. This one I actually bought twice. It's the camera die, super cute. And then this one right here, I never use this one as well. This is like an embossing folder, stamp set, and a die set, Tim Holtz alterations. So this one right here, the Sizzix Lot is $50. Now we have my Diesire Lot. This one is going to be $35. All the prices include shipping. So you get this die. This one, never used any of these ones. Brand new. Brand new. Never used any of these. And I'll go over the front of them. They're really big dies. Some of them are big. And that one. Okay, that's the Diesire Lot. It's $35 shipped. Okay, now we're on to my other things that I want to share. We have two boxes. The first is what I'm calling my random at Random Die Lot, and it's $45. So in this lot, we ship it in a box. These are steel wool dies. You get this one right here. It's a first place die. You get this one, which is a feather, 2 different kinds of feathers, and then this one, which is this deer one. You get that, as well as this cottage cuts die. You get this one, which I don't think I ever use. This is Harry the Hedgehog by Tonic. This one I might have used once. This one right here. You get this, which I got in a die lot that I purchased, as well as this one. And then this, which I never opened or used. This one I used once, I believe. That. And then you get a bunch of other dies. Let me show you what is included. So you get this one. Get all of these dies. Get this snowflake. Get this Spellbinders waterfall. Get this one. Get this. Get this one, which is like a teapot, and it's got silverware and a bunch of goodies that go with that cup. And then in here, you get this, which is like a unicorn die of some kind. This, which is a little house. I think I have the other houses. Here's the other house that goes with it. These dies. You get the Spider-Man face, the Batman, the Mickey and Minnie. Get this cactus. You get this swan. And then in here, you get this pirate ship, which I've used once. You get this one, which I've never used. You get this castle. You get this little carriage. And then you get 2 different unicorn heads. That's my random die lot. That one is $45. Okay, and then the last one. All right, so this one is $55. It includes PTi, which is paper tray ink, and Cuttlebug. So it's a lot of stuff. So I'll do the best that I can to show you guys what it is. I don't know that I'm going to be able to show you everything because it's like a lot. It's Cuttlebug as, I think there might even be some Sizzix embossing folders as well, but it is like most of my embossing folders. It's a lot of embossing folders. It includes Anna Griffin ones. I mean, I just kept the ones that I use, like fairly frequently, or the ones that, you know, hopefully I'll use now that I've shrunk my stash. Okay, let's see here. All right. And almost to the end. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. All right, here's all these embossing folders. It is a lot. Some of them have the little end piece ones, these little ones that go in the end, which I don't really understand those very much. I guess if you just wanted to do a border, but just to give you an idea of all the ones that I have. It's a lot. I had a lot of them. See, like there's some that Sizzix, but it's almost all, a couple Sizzix ones, but it's almost all Cuttlebug, which they don't make anymore. So in terms of how many, and you'll have to try and see what you can see, but there's like every flower, everything you could possibly want. So words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, like 50. Just 50 embossing folders. So I think it's a pretty good deal, to be honest with you. But it's time for me to say goodbye to it because I only reach for a few of them. All right, so there's that. And then I have these metal plates. I have this music one, which I've used before. I have this checkered board one. I have this one, which is like a, I don't know, chicken wire. That one and this one. So that's included, as well as all of these stamps, which sell for $5, but they're now, they were $1, but I think they're all going to be gone in paper tray ink. So I got this one, which is the lucky one, peace, love with joy. I just have so much stuff. I bought it, and then it's like this one, this one. So that is my lots. That one is $55. So go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and pay right away if you could. Thank you very much.